Nde wonde bai. No na canal Igbotutorials. Aha mbụ Nwada Blessing if na ya Chukwuma. Na nkuzi wachita anyị ga-amụ maka ụda olu Igbo. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing if na ya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the tones in Igbo language. Since Igbo is a tonal language, it is very important that you learn about the different tones so that you are pronouncing and writing the words you mean to communicate and understand what you hear and read correctly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Are you ready? Let's start. N'asụsụ Igbo, anyị nwere akara ụda olu atọ. Ha bụ ụda elu, ụda ala, na ụda nsụda. In Igbo language, we have 3 tonal marks. Okay? They are the high tone, low tone, and the middle tone. Okay? These tonal marks are placed on top of vowels in words to show whether they are pronounced with a high tone, low tone, or middle tone. Udelu is a high-pitched tone, usually with an acute accent slanting up from left to right. It's going up from left to right, as you can see right here. Okay? And Odala refers to vowels pronounced with a low-pitched tone, and it's usually marked from left to right, downward stroke, left to right, just like here. And Udasuda refers to vowels pronounced with a mid-pitched tone, and it is usually marked with a horizontal mark called makra, just like here. Okay, and there is a general rule that you can only use this udansuda for words with more than 1 syllables. This is because the tone must come after a high tone vowel. Okay, so if there is no high tone vowel there, you can use this. So that is why it can be used in vowels with just 1 syllables. Let's continue. In order to fully understand the usefulness of these tonal marks in the Igbo language, we're going to have examples using heteronyms. They are basically words that are spelled the same way but have different meanings and different sounds. Okay, so as you can see, these words all are spelled the same way, a, we, a. Okay, and here we have different meanings. Let's start from bed. Okay, as you can see here we have bed, and this is aqua. Aqua. If you listen to the way you pronounce it, it's low. That means it is low, low. Okay, L, L, low, low. Okay, they are both low pitch tone. Aqua, no stress, just easily pronounced. The second one is egg. Aqua, aqua, aqua. If you notice, it started low, hence this low pitched tone mark, and then it went off high. So here we have low, high, low, high. Okay, and the third one we have cloth, and it's aqua, 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 aqua. Okay, high, H is for high, and L is for low. High, low, aqua, 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 aqua. Okay, the last one is cry. Aqua, aqua, notice in your tone, it's high all through. Okay, high all through. So we have high, high. All right, let's start again. Aqua, aqua. You can repeat after me. Aqua, 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 aqua. Okay, all right, let's move on. Let's look at other examples of words that has udelu. Okay, here we have aka, aka, ele, imi, ike. I don't know if you get the pattern, the way it sounds high, high. Aka, ele, imi, ike. Your voice never goes down. You can repeat after me. Aka, just so you get what I'm talking about. Ele, imi, ike. Okay? If you notice, it sounds like your voice is being stressed a little bit. Let's look at other examples of udala. We have odo, ite, enwe, igwe. Repeat after me. Odo, ite, enwe, igwe. Good. And for udansuda, let's see. Have eze, igwe, ego, ozo. If you notice, it's not the udansuda, that's the middle tone mark. It's not high and it's not that low either. It's somewhere there. Okay, you're pronouncing it comfortably. Your voice is not going in and your voice is not screaming. Okay, I hope that you really do understand this tonal marks. We have the comment section where you can go and ask your questions and I'll be there to answer. And remember, practice, practice, and practice. It cannot be overemphasized. Don't be shy, don't be scared, don't be embarrassed. Speak out, speak up, and you'll surely get it. Okay, don't forget to favor this video, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, my name is Blessing Ifne Chukuma. Till next time, Komesia.